Now your rental's complete. What are you going to do? Well, you're going to have to sell it. That's a marketing part we talked about. This is where transaction partners are pivotal to your team. My transaction partners are my team members, basically, and they know that. But I've worked with them time and time again. I know how they perform. I know how they do things in a timely manner. They know exactly how I operate, and they're able to perform accordingly. My team should include, and yours too, I want my realtor to be on my team. Now, here's why I want my realtor as my third partner. I don't pay them a percentage. They get paid a commission. That's all they need. And they do everything you need for them. They qualify your buyers. They do your CMAs for your properties, which is certified your comparable market analysis, which is called your quick CMA that they're going to do for you. They actually find your houses on the internet. They do everything that you're looking for so that you don't have to do a lot of that work. So they're important and pivotal. Title company, I use two kinds. One is my big boys. Whenever I have something that I don't have to worry about it, or it's a bigger type of property or more difficult, more buyers involved, less, more issues with the seller, whatever, I take it to them. Then there's also if I'm doing wholesaling, which means I'm only making that middle piece, the 10 to 15,000, or however much a wholesaler is, comfortable being able to charge, then they know how to do what's called a double close. So usually your fee attorneys will do that. Now my big boys are learning to do that, but right now I still use that small guy, that independent guy that's the fee attorney. Then you need your mortgage company because I really try to have my buyers, I don't care if they have their own mortgage guy, I want them to qualify with mine because if theirs goes south, my guy can pick it up. The next guy I use is my mortgage company. The reason why, even if the buyer has their own mortgage company, I want them to go ahead and qualify with my guy because if theirs goes south or sideways, my guy can pick up just at the drop of a hat. So I want him, and they may decide they like my guy better anyway and use him, which I really hope, and that's my main reason for them talking to my mortgage guy. I also keep a surveyor that's on my team because surveying can be a long lead item at times. It's required for every mortgage, no matter what, in the United States. So you got to have one. So a surveyor is very important. The other thing I keep in my back pocket is my inspector. If I need him, a lot of times they're hard to get, but I also could get that at a little bit better price if I need to, or whatever. But at least he's available at any time for the buyer instead of being somebody that could come out in 10 days. That'll screw up your closing date.